G'day guys, Timmy here again from Reset Theory. How would your life look if you got an extra $36,500 per annum put in your pay packet, or the equivalent to $100 per day? Let me show you how this can happen. Today's day one of our leverage trading challenge, and we're utilising a skimming or scalping methodology to make this happen. Sit back and watch. You guys be the judge and see if this is real or if this is fake. So as you can see in account assets, I just put $3,500 US or 5,000 Australian dollars into a BTCC account. I've spent 25 minutes in this project here. I've fully closed out 2 quick trades, skimming methodology, made $25.67 US, which equates to, in the conversion up here, 132 Australian dollars in 25 minutes. There we go. Day one leverage trading challenge complete. Made $132. We're seeking 100 Australian dollars. So we're $32 in credit. Bingo. So it's a good start anyway. Let me show you day after day after day how you can make $100, which is $700 a week, which is $36,500 per annum. Add that to your pay packet. See how that looks for you. Have a great day. Bye for now.